Okay, so look at this. I have my DIY teaching aids. So gamit yung plastic spoon. I cut the curve at the top. Tapos yan na. Yeah, so gagamitin ko to mamaya. Ready na. Lagay natin siya dito. There, para ready na siya. If you want to have a copy of my printouts for your teaching aids of the lesson, what is your name for the entity Mac demo, then message me your Skype account in the comment section so I can send you the files. This 11 o'clock is my NTT or New Teachers Training na. I take my absent, yeah, for this reason. Kasi syempre, you have to sacrifice some of your time for you to apply. Hindi naman pwede na mag-multitask tayo. So, I have to prepare for my NTT, the Mac demo, and then eventually yung CE demo. Yan. So, I have here my set of toys. Pagpipilian ko siya ano yung best na gagamitin ko. Imagine, ang dami-dami kong na-collect 2 years ago just for this reason. Kasi na-enjoy talaga ako masyado sa pag-teach nung nag-5-1 talk ako. Yes. And that was during pandemic also. Yun. I vlog everything. And I enjoyed so much. Kahit na mayroong mga stressful moments. Yes, art naman talaga yon sa trabaho kahit saan kang ESL company. Yan. So, is this good to use this 11 o'clock? Yan. Ang ganda-ganda. Then, I also have this one. This is my favorite before. Kaya lang, medyo may nawala na design dito. Kasi yung iba, tinapon ko na kasi pangit na. Pangit na talaga. I have my mask. Pero, hindi masyado siyang advisable yung mga mask. Baka matakot yung student. Yes, this one. I forgot the name of this stuffed toy. May malaki akong stuffed toy na si Max. Kaya lang, tinapon ko na rin. Hindi ko na siya nagustuhan. Yeah, I have here a star. Star for you. Okay, so I'll be using this one. I'll set aside some of those na pwede kong gamitin as treats for the demonstration. Yes! Here's your pizza! Here's your treat. This one, strawberry. Para mag-enjoy yung bata. Kaya nga, binili ko to. Unti-unti. Hindi yun at once. Kasi every time na makapunta ako ng mall, I set aside an amount for my toys. Yeah. Yan, here's your treat. Ice cream for you. And carrot. Pineapple. Yes, yun. Kulay na makukulay. Attractive na attractive ito sa mga bata. Here's your pineapple tree. And balik tayo sa hello. 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 How are you? Kasi nandito yung piece na dapat naming gamitin. So, parang katulad pa rin nung before. Ang title niya is, What is your name? Ito yung gagamitin namin mamaya for the Mac demo. You will let your student practice the word hello. My name is Timmy. And game time, look, drag, and say. Yes, so dapat kang mag-print ng Timmy, Cindy. This is for a level 0. May video ako nito, paano siya ituro. Tingnan muna tayo sa paghahanap ng mga traits. Yan, I have a little plate. Bread. I'll give you sliced bread. I'll give you a corn. Tawag nila dito is hot dog. Okay, I'll give you a hot dog. I guess that's enough. Okay na yan para sa treats ko. Still have this one. Ooh, before ay niilaw to, pero sira na siya. Sira na. Very cute. Okay, that's enough for today. So, update ko kayo. Sana makapasa ako. My God. So, gusto kong bumalik sa 5-1 talk. Pero, if ever hindi ako makapasa, I have already option number 2. Kasi, nagturo rin ako sa native camp. And my application is also ongoing. So, which is which? Kung matanggap ako dito sa 5-1 talk, dito ako. Pero kung hindi naman, dun ako kay native camp. Siyempre, we need to have options. Pero, heart belongs to 5-1 talk. Kahit na ay marami rin akong mga bad experiences sa kanya. Pero, I take it as a challenge, yes. Kasi, maganda yung 5-1 talk. Maganda siyang exposure, especially for the beginner ESL teacher. Marami kang matututunan. Tapos, home-based, syempre. So, away from the busy streets and traffic. So, yung adjustment is good for 1 year lang talaga. So, kung nakaset up ka na sa lahat ng mga kailangan mo, like a well, quiet, clutter-free na room, mga backups na set up mo na, of course, you have to invest for it because trabaho siya. Yes. That's all for today, teachers. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!